Action.
Welcome to Squirrel and Anarchy's food making place. We're here in Buffalo. We're gonna make spiked tea.
Oh, really? Gonna release the
We're
Kraken
gonna
IP.
release the Kraken. Yes, this is one of our new favorites. Spice Dragon Red Chai, caffeine free. Get ready to rip it, dip it, and sip it. Empires may fall, but the steam will rise. So this wonderful little tea mug is from Teavana. You can use it with loose tea. And we're going to release the Kraken. Yum. This is what you need for those cold days after walking the dog. Maybe you should try some on.